Chapter 15. Communicating with others. Learning objectives. Communication. Personal communication. Mass media. Communication. The method of sending and receiving information is called communication. Can you imagine life without communication? No. In that case, life would be so boring. In ancient times, people sent letters through pigeons or horse rides. This would take many days to reach the person. As time progressed, there was a vast change in the way people communicate. This was due to development in technology. There was postal service, telephones, radio, television and newspapers. At present, communication is instantaneous with mobile phones and emails. Personal communication. Postal service. The most common and cheapest mode of communication is the postal service. India has the largest postal network in the world. Postal service for public in India was introduced in 1774 by Lord Varian Hastings. There are more than 1.5 lakh post offices in our country. Post offices sell postcard, inland letters, envelopes and stamps. We can send money order and parcels to any place in India. Post offices also have a bank for people to deposit their money. We can send a letter or parcel through speed post or courier service. Although people from cities have reduced their communication through postcard and inland letters, it is still the most popular service in villages and smaller towns. Fact file. The letters should have complete address with PIN code number. Telephone. Telephone is a quick and convenient means of communication. One can dial a number and talk to a person on phone anywhere in India or the world. Telephones are not only installed at homes, but they are of great help even at railway stations, police stations, fire stations, hospitals, shops, post offices, etc. The PCO, Public Call Office, provides the facility for making local calls, STD, Subscriber Trunk Dialing Calls, and ISD, International Subscriber Dialing Calls through code number. Telephones are connected by wires known as cables. Cordless phones work within a certain range from the telephone. People all over the world now carry mobile phones with them. Now we can communicate with a person anywhere, anytime. Nowadays we can also send videos and pictures with the help of our smartphones. The telephone department also provided telex service through which typed messages could be sent very quickly. This method was earlier used by people working in the offices, airlines and government and newspaper offices. Fact file. In our country, mobile phones have a 10-digit number. Computer. Computers are the latest means of communication. The internet is a worldwide network of computers. Through it, we can send an electronic mail, email to any part of the world. It is a 24-hour facility which passes messages instantly. Email is much quicker and cheaper than a telephone call. Fax. Fax is a very useful tool in an office. It transmits the printed form of pictures or documents from one place to another using a telephone line. Mass media. If we want to send a message to a large number of people at the same time, we use radio, television, newspaper, magazine or cinema. These are called mass media or means of mass communication. Newspaper. These are the printed means of mass communication. Newspapers are the cheapest means of communication. These are printed in English, Hindi and all the regional languages. Magazines provides news, views and information about events all over the world. Radio. Radio is a mass communication service with more than 369 operational private radio stations and 86 local stations spread across the country. Radio broadcasts bring useful information of the latest events in the country and in the world at large. Moreover, We hear important announcements and advertisements on the radio. Television. Television provides information, news, education, music, entertainment to people. Unlike radio, the television uses moving pictures and sound to convey the message. Satellites send television signals within India and also to the other parts of the world. The antenna and dish collect the signals and transfer them to the TV sets. Different channels show interesting programs. Thus, a person in India can also see live events and matches being played in any part of the world. Cinema. The cinema is also mass communication service. Besides recreation, the cinema also has a great educational value. Points to remember. The methods of sending and receiving information is called communication. The most common and cheapest means of communication is the postal service. Telephone is the fastest means of communication. Fax transmits pictures or documents from one place to another. Through mass communication or mass media, message can reach a large number of people at the same time. Radio, newspaper, television and cinema are some examples of mass communication.